How metal reacts with air and water. Come, let's check with an activity.
Let us understand how metals reacts with air and water. First, I am considering a metal called magnesium, and this metal is very reactive with the atmospheric oxygen. If you take this metal in the atmospheric oxygen like this, it reacts with the oxygen and it forms oxygen will form a layer on the magnesium. Okay, so this oxide layer which is there on the magnesium will not allow the magnesium to burn. When I try to burn the magnesium will not burn easily because of the presence of oxide layer. To remove this oxide layer, we have to clean this oxide layer by using what? Sandpaper. We have to clean this magnesium by using the sandpaper. So if you rub by using the sandpaper like this, the oxide layer which is there on the magnesium will get removed. Then after you can burn the magnesium easily so that it burns with the bright flame, bright white flame. Let us see. Now I have a cleaned magnesium now, how it burns with the air. Okay, then I have a uncleaned magnesium. I am taking one more magnesium which is not cleaned. It is reacted with the oxygen and there is an oxide layer on this. You can see the difference. It is clean and it is not clean. So uncleaned, I am trying to burn the magnesium which is reacted with the oxygen. Now I am trying to burn the magnesium which is cleaned by using the sandpaper. Both will try. Which will burn faster, we will see now. So first I will try to burn the magnesium. Okay, I told you for burning what is so important? Oxygen is very important. Now I am checking how metals react with the air. So that this metal is highly reactive with the air, correct? So when this metal react with the air, it forms the oxide layer. Now the oxide layer is there on the magnesium. I am trying to burn it. You can see the magnesium is taking long time to burn, correct? Yes or no? It is taking long time to burn. Can you see it? Why it is not burning? Because magnesium reacted with the air and forms the magnesium oxide, and that oxide layer is not allowing the magnesium to burn. Right? So let me remove this. I have one more magnesium ribbon here which is cleaned by using the sandpaper. It is cleaned by using what? Sandpaper. I am trying to remove the oxide layer which is there. Then I am trying to burn this magnesium by using the candle. See? In a very short span of time, this magnesium is burning, correct? Yes or no? Is it burning with the bright white flame? Check. What happens when magnesium reacts with the air? Magnesium is a metal. When metal reacts with the air, what it forms? It forms the magnesium oxide. It forms what? Magnesium oxide. What it forms? Magnesium oxide. I'll write the equation. Magnesium symbol is Mg. When magnesium reacts with oxygen, it forms what? Magnesium oxide. Ash. When I burned the magnesium burned with the bright flame. And finally I got the product ash, correct? So how this magnesium reacts with the water, we'll check. Okay, so I will add a few drops of water to this one, ash. Let us check this magnesium oxide is acidic or basic by using the litmus paper. What I'm doing, I'm trying to add few drops of water to this ash. Let us check, is this acidic or basic by using the litmus paper test. Okay, so now I have a ash which I have collected by burning the magnesium. For that ash I am going to add few drops of water. I'll make it paste. I'm making it as a paste. Now let us test whether this is acidic or basic in nature by using the litmus paper. I have blue litmus paper. First let us test the blue litmus for the acidic test. Is it acid or not? By dipping into the solution. There is no change in the blue litmus paper. I am trying to dip the blue litmus paper into this solution paste. It is not changing any color, correct? It is still in blue color. Okay, let us try with the red litmus paper now. I have the red litmus paper. I am trying to dip it in the paste. Look at this one. Can you change the color? See the change in color? Red litmus changes into blue litmus, correct? Red color changed into blue color. Then what is this solution? What is the nature of this solution? Basic in nature. What is the nature of this solution? Basic in nature. Understood? We did. I am trying to test the nature of the magnesium oxide, whether that is acidic or basic. When magnesium oxide is, when I test the nature of the magnesium oxide, the blue litmus paper does not change any color, correct? It remained as blue color. But when I used the red litmus paper, it turned into blue color. So by seeing this one, I can say that magnesium, what is the nature of the magnesium oxide? The nature of the magnesium oxide is basic. What is that? Basic in nature. So from this activities, we understood that how a metal reacts with air and water.